To get started, take a comfortable seat on a chair or on a cushion. And when you're ready, take in a deep breath in, and on your breath out, just feeling your body sink more heavily into the seat. And again, breathing in. This time, as you breathe out, allow your eyes to close, allowing your breath to fall into a natural rhythm, not trying to control the breath, allowing the breath to guide you, and observing the breath from the beginning of inhalation all the way through to the end of exhalation. Bringing your attention now to the whole of the body, just getting an easy idea of how the body feels in general. Just be curious and open to anything you sense. Now drawing your attention up to the top of your head and scalp area, observing any sensations here, being at ease with whatever you find. Now bringing your awareness to the mouth and jaw. Allow your jaw to fall open, relaxing the muscles, becoming aware now of your upper back and shoulders. Allow your shoulders to settle downward. And if you notice any tension here in the shoulders or back, allow this to release with each breath out. Noticing the chest now, how it moves with each breath in and out. Sensing the belly and allowing the breath to fill the belly at the end of the inhalation and noticing it fall away as you breathe out. Notice the pelvis and seat area and where it contacts the cushion or the chair. And bringing your awareness to your thighs, lower legs and feet. Take a moment to hold the whole of your body in your awareness as you breathe easily in and out. Bringing your awareness back to the space around you. Slowly bringing movement back into the hands and feet. And when you're ready, opening your eyes.